Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will discuss about a very important lecture of civil engineering and basic knowledge. Okay. So yesterday we will discuss lesson number 1 and today we are going to discuss lesson number 2, civil engineering basic knowledge, and today date is 19 April 2023. So viewer, there are very important points that I can share with you. So the first one is volume of cement bag is 1.25 cubic foot. Viewers, it should be noted for all of you or engineers or students that one cement bag volume should be 1.25 cubic foot, and this is the standard. Okay, you can't change this value. If you are going in MK system, so the volume should be 0.35 meter cube, and in FVS system 1.25 CFT. This is the volume of cement bag. Point number 2, height of kitchen and washroom. Students, the height of kitchen and washroom from floor level to roof level or roof should be 3 meter or 10 feet. I can give you two values of different system of measurement, FVS and MKS, and that both are 3 meter or 10 feet. Okay. Point number 3, using single mesh of reinforcement for residential building. You can see viewers, when we creating a steel mesh in reinforcement for the different purpose, I can show you roughly on page. Okay, this is for example footing, plane, longitudinal bar and distribution bar. Okay, the section of these steel should be like this. This is the development link, and there should be steel rods. So this is called single mesh, and this will be only for the residential building. That are 2 points here, not much load and saving up cost or money. And the double mesh, this is the development length which I discussed in the previous lecture. You can find the lesson number 1 in the description. Link is available in the description. This is called double mesh, and we can use this is for high-rise building or multi-story building. These are the double mesh, and we are using a single mesh for the residential building. Okay. Curing of concrete should not be less than 7 days. So this is a very important practical skill of engineering. The curing of concrete should not be less than from 7 days. Okay. Water absorption should not be more than 20%. This point is related to brickwork or brick material. The percentage of absorption should not be more than 20%. Otherwise, it not be counted in the first class brick and the category of first class brick. Okay, so this should be 20%, and this is mostly used in MCQs of civil engineering jobs. Plumbing or electrical conduit should not be run in column. Mostly you can see in the column in residential building there are a lot of people doing a mistake of PVC conduit pipe using per drain in the column or electrical conduits for the wiring purpose. So this is not allowed in engineering point of view. You are going to weak your RCC column. Water cement ratio decides strength of concrete and workability. The water cement ratio is very important in the RCC work or concrete work. The water cement ratio or percentage, which is 0.42 to 0.45, It can depend on the design ratio, but this is a very important, and this is increase the strength of concrete and also increase the workability, so you can place and finish the concrete easily. Minimum size of column 9 by 9 inch. We are using this in for the distribution of long wall, or we using the residential building or houses. So the minimum length, width and length of column should be 9 by 9 inch. Minimum size of the footing should be 2 by 2 feet. If you are constructing a column or whatever, this is a column for example, so the footing should be not less than by 2 feet. 2 feet width, 2 feet by 2 feet and 2 feet height, and the height is depend on the nature of soil. So the footing width should not be less than 2 by 2. Grouting should be provided after slab casting for fill up the voids. Guys, when you done the RCC concrete pouring, so there a little bit voids developed in the during casting, so you need to grout these all pores or voids, so you can fill up by grouting. And the natural we are using in villages or residential building, most of the people are using cement or cement slurry on these voids to protect slab casting voids. Okay, so this is a very important topic, a very short topic for you, and this is a very important. Please note in your diary, and this will be a very benefit for your future. So I think the lesson should you like, so press the like button, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more video. Take care of yourself. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.